isinama ng prosekusyon dito sa kanilang request for subpoena. At
kung mababatid natin na inutos ni Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile na ihiwalay ang peso at dollar consolidated document na ginawa po ng legal team ng PS Bank na kung saan sila rin naman daw ang nagpaisa nito, kaya pwede rin naman nilang ihiwalay. And dito daw nila malalaman kung merong comparison as to if there is substantial fraud that has happened within the document as the PS Bank officials would claim.
At dahil nga gustong malaman once and for all, gustong masettle nitong mga senator judges kung peke nga ba o hindi itong mga signature cards na ito, ay tinanong kanina ni Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile itong si Bank Manager Pascual Garcia at kanyang tinanong paulit-ulit, do you have this kind of document in your bank? Tanungin natin si Attorney Joey Bernabe, in effect po ba the presiding officer was successful in going around the TRO?
Sa aking palagay, hindi naman tinatangka ni Senate President Enrile na paikutan yung sinasabing TRO, no? Or even yung ruling itself ng Senate sitting as an impeachment body. Ang kanyang pakay lamang is total, wala namang madidisclose ukol doon sa dollar account. Any detail na tungkol dito sa dollar accounts na protektado under the RA 6426, pwede niyang gawin yun dahil lang gusto lang namang ipakita ni Senate President Enrile ay yung pagkahambing nung mga naka-attach na signature at information doon sa document na in-attach request for a subpoena at yung original nitong dokumentong ito without any reference doon sa dollar details, dollar account details. So palagay ko, wala naman siyang bina-violate or pinapaikutan.
Attorney Bernabe, kanina rin pinagdiskusyonan itong RA 1405 at sinabi nga ni Justice Cuevas na yung nature daw ng trial or yung pagiging impeachment trial, it has nothing to do with the exceptions. Linawin nga natin, ano po ba muna itong RA 1405?
Oo. Itong RA 1405, ang sinasabi nito ay pinagbabawal ang disclosure into or an inquiry into deposits na pinangahawakan ng ating mga kababayan dito sa ating banking system. Ngayon, even commonly called nga ito as bank secrecy, ano? Kasi sikreto, pag nag-open ka ng any account, dapat may confidence ka na walang makakapag bukas nito or makakapag-ungkat nito kung hindi mo pinapayagan. Ngayon, itong RA 1405 itself ay meron siyang exceptions kung kailan pwedeng buksan ito.
At doon sila nagtatalo?
Yes, kasi ang isang exception dito ay in cases of an impeachment. In case of an impeachment. Ibig sabihin, gaya nito, may paglilitis, tinatawag nating impeachment of a public official. This is listed as one of the exceptions na pwedeng ungkatin yung bank deposits ng isang public official. Ngayon, ang katanungan ay, pag ganitong may paglilitis ba, kailangan bang may order yung korte bago maipresenta itong mga bank accounts na tinutukoy dito? Ang sinasabi siyempre ng prosecution, hindi na kailangan dahil by its very wording, sinasabi in case of an impeachment. Hindi naman sinasabing in case of an order issued by an impeachment tribunal. Pero siyempre, ang kabilang panig naman, ang defense, ang sinasabi nila, hindi, kailangan merong order muna mula sa impeachment body before ilalabas itong mga bank accounts ng tinutukoy.
Maraming salamat, Attorney Bernabe. Puntahan naman natin ngayon ang press briefing ng prosecution.
Kung yung inattach na annex ay makatotohanan ba o kagaya ng sinasabi ng ilan ay isang spurious or isang forgery. So I think that is clear and we feel that that will vindicate the position of the prosecution with regard to this matter. No, yun lang naman may labas yung dokumento, makikita po natin kung ano yung totoo. At sa naging direct questions mula sa Senate President Enrile, I think doon natin makikita na pinapayagan naman po kung merong mixture, dahil inamin naman po ng bank president, may mixture ng dollar and peso account. So, pinayagan yung bank president, takpan yung dollar account kung meron man, no? At dalhin yung dokumento para yung peso lang ang titignan. So, maybe you want to ask questions?
Sa Senate floor, magre-resume na ang kanilang session.
Mr. President, may we call back the bank manager of PS Bank?
The manager of the PS Bank,
Manager?
Manager?
Branch manager naman.
Your Honor, she's just in the ladies' room. She's on her way back.
Who is the next witness?
Ms. Johnson, she is on her way back to the court, Mr. President. May we ask Senator Osmeña be recognized?
The senator from Cebu has the floor.
Hinihintay po natin.
Ayan.
Kala ko nagdali.
The gentleman from Cebu may now proceed.
Thank you, Mr. President. Ms. Johnson, good afternoon again.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ms. Johnson, you were handed a subpoena to appear at 2 o'clock this afternoon. No, that is yesterday. And when you appeared, you did not have the information that we required, so we are asking if you brought with you the information that the subpoena asked you to bring with you this afternoon or this evening.
Sir, no, because the documents, since our records are already with the head office under the custody of our senior officers, it's with Mr. Garcia, sir. So he will be the more competent person to discuss it.
You were the one who was subpoenaed.
Yes, sir, but since the records, I did not personally prepare them. Mr. Garcia had them prepared, so he's the more competent person to discuss.
No, you're not going to pass the buck to Mr. Garcia.
No naman, sir.
So will you obtain, at the latest of the hour, because of the latest of the hour, Mr. President, I hereby move that Ms. Johnson familiarize herself with the documents which we subpoenaed, and for her to appear tomorrow at 2 o'clock and be prepared to answer questions on those documents.
There's no need to subpoena the witness. Is ordered to procure the records of her branch office from the president of the bank to comply with the request of the senator judge from Cebu to bring this record of peso account to this court for examination by the senator judge from Cebu. So ordered.
Thank you, Mr. President.
And also, Mr. President, just as a reminder, the logbook as requested by the other senators for tomorrow.
Now, let us repeat the order. You will bring with you the logbook of your secured documents, especially your bank, the records of your bank accounts, peso bank accounts, and the signature cards appertinent thereto.
The signature.
Thank you, Mr.
Sir,
President.
may-
And second, the documents requested by the senator judge from Cebu that you said are in the custody of your president. Do you understand, Madam Witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, ordered. There's no need for a subpoena duces tecum. The court directly orders you to do it.
Thank you. With that, Mr. President, we may excuse the witness in the
The
meantime.
witness is excused in the meantime, and you return at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. President, may we ask the Sergeant at Arms to make an announcement?
The Sergeant at Arms may make the announcement.
Please all rise. All persons are commanded to remain in their places until the Senate President and the senators have left the session hall.
Mr. President, I move that we adjourn until 2 o'clock in the afternoon of Thursday, February 16, 2012.
Any objection? Hearing none, this trial is adjourned until that time.
According to JP, mas paliwanag natin about document.
Nag-adjourn na po ang ika-18 araw ng paglilitis ni Chief Justice Renato Corona. And napansin natin, Gio, na medyo naging mabagal ang usad ng paglilitis ngayon. 6:12 po ng gabi natapos ang ika-18 araw ng impeachment trial.
At tila hindi pa rin sila tapos sa pag-eksamina nung mga witnesses mula sa PS Bank kasi pinababalik pa bukas si Miss Annabel Tiongson dala ang logbook ng kanilang Katipunan branch sa PS Bank.
At Attorney Joey, tanungin muna kita, ano yung mga importanteng points na dapat malaman ng ating mga kababayan sa nangyari ngayong araw?
Siguro ang pinaka-importante dito ay yung naging ruling ni Senate President Enrile na utusan itong testigo mula sa PS Bank na dalhin yung mga dokumento at takpan na lamang kung ano yung portion na nauukol sa dollar account ni Chief Justice Corona para mapatunayan once and for all kung tunay nga o peke itong mga dokumentong isinumite kasama ng request for a subpoena ng prosecution. At binanggit na rin ni Senator Enrile ang kanyang ruling na kapag ito ay napatunayan na peke, then magiging inadmissible in evidence itong mga bagay-bagay na gustong mapalitaw ng prosecution ukol dito sa mga bank documents na ito.
Dino, mapapansin natin na parang hindi yata nakapagtanong ang prosecution o depensa. What do you think did the impeachment court itself achieve today?
Not much, to be honest, di ba? Kasi parang yung two witnesses, it took a long time, no, para dun sa mga pagtatanong sa kanila to establish their credibility and to also get parang medyo konti lang yung information na nakuha sa kanila. I think sana bukas na pagdala na nila yung mga documents na hinihingi ng impeachment court, and I hope that also in their manner of answering, mas diretso na sila para mas maraming ma-accomplish ang court.
And Attorney Joey, ulitin lang natin yung kahalagahan nung pag-aalam kung peke o hindi. Kanino po ba talagang responsibilidad ang alamin yung katotohanan o authenticity ng mga isinusumiting dokumento dito sa kahit anumang paglilitis?
Well, ang sinasabi sa ating batas is kung sino ang may hinahain